Tell me when to start. Sorry, need some time.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Amrita.
And I'm Ansh.
And this is Road to Food.
That. You know what Earl Grey?
What is Earl Grey?
You're doing a video, you should know what Earl Grey is. Do you know what Earl Grey is?
Probably not doing.
Okay, for those of you who don't know what Earl Grey is, it's essentially a black tea with oil mixed into it. And this oil specifically is this thing called bergamot oil that comes from oranges, the skin of oranges. Bergamot oranges to be precise. So it's black tea with bergamot oil, and though it's so famous, how it actually came about, there are multiple theories.
I just want to add on to what Ansh said that Earl Grey is basically like fancy chai. It is fancy chai. It's fancy tea again.
I mean,
we can't afford it.
yeah.
And even if all of you want to have tea, I suggest not start it off with Earl Grey. Start off with like normal milk tea.
Dudh.
Because this is quite an acquired taste, and it's basically like fancy chai with orange essence.
Yeah.
Orange essence?
Yeah.
Orange essence!
Way to cut short my intro.
Yeah.
So, yeah, do you want to like start this off?
Okay, so the most legendary and the most mythical theory there is basically Earl and his men saved a drowning child from, well, no, drowning.
Implied.
And his father was basically a tea blender and was very grateful because, obviously,
Because
saved the
boy
child.
not dying.
And he basically presented Earl with his specialty, that's, you know, black tea with bergamot oil, and gave us a thank you gift.
That's nice, that's wholesome.
I don't know, like some good in the world which is very dark right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, as much as I want this theory to be true, it's not true because Earl himself never set foot in China. Like, he never put his. That was a big storm. He never.
Neighbor's gonna complain.
He never set foot in China, and I don't think the Chinese know what bergamot oil is.
Probably.
Looks like a pumpkin
Well,
lime.
so so you're telling me you searched up some theory and it's like BS.
Yeah, it's BS. To be short, BS.
Yeah, this kind of puts me in a predicament because my theory kind of supports her theory. Yeah, so my theory is about how China sent a box of oranges, like a bunch of bergamot oranges, and a bunch of black tea. And due to this certain accident, like the orange spilled, infused its flavors onto the tea. Earl Grey had it, ended up liking it, and then boom, Earl Grey.
Hey.
So I think if you put like this with the first theory, I think kind of like
Makes
works
sense.
out. Probably.
So you're telling me that China put a tea that's supposed to be stored in a dark place along with like sunshine oranges and sent them together.
Not
and
really
then
the smartest thing to
Not
do.
really the smartest thing to do. So it's essentially smoking the chai with oil.
In a way, yeah.
Wow, what a mystery. Yeah, so the third theory basically talks about, is basically the Earl's family fairy tale or Earl's family lore, which says that they hired a Chinese tea blender to make a tea because their water there was hard water, lots of lime, lots of minerals, and to suit that water they hired a Chinese tea blender, and the Chinese tea blender basically put bergamot oil to offset the taste of lime and essentially created one of the most special and unique teas there is. Yeah. I mean, this theory is probably the most...
I call it's the best out of all. Because I know I'm giving the last theory and it's nonsense. It's like a one-line theory which I'm giving. I'm telling you now, this is probably the best theory. Because my theory, you go on the internet, search this up, you get literally one line. It says he thought of it himself.
That's it?
Earl Grey thought, like, yeah, that basically he made tea, he put orange oil, thought of it himself. He's like, I'm a genius, culinary enthusiast.
Why do we even need Massimo Bottura? We'll just hire
Exactly. Earl Grey put him, I mean, he's dead too.
I don't think a British Prime Minister goes home asking like, yo, I want oil in my tea. Does he have time to experiment?
I thought he's supposed to come and colonize us.
Oh yeah, that's yet to come. Way to make something dark. Oh, we're from India, by the way.
As you can see by
As you
skin
can see,
color,
yeah.
if you don't want to be racist, yeah, we're from India.
We're from India.
So yeah, I think the third theory, the one with the hard water, is probably the strongest theory out of all of them.
Yeah.
Because like you have Earl Grey family hiring this famous
Famous
tea
tea
blender,
blender.
and tea blender would kind of obviously know what he's doing, and hard
Not
water.
really.
You don't know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Tea blender knows what
What he's doing.
So I think this is probably kind of the strongest.
The
one.
strongest theory. Yeah, I agree with you. I say that this is probably the most, makes sense theory. Because of
Makes
course
sense,
I'm not
yeah.
going to believe the last theory. Because
Last thing you thought of
yes.
himself.
I want the first theory to be right because I want a drowning child.
Are you like one of those people who like Disney and like happy endings?
Yeah, I'm kind of that. Yeah, I cry when there's a sad ending. So, yeah, I want that theory to be true because it sounds so wholesome. But like the third theory sounds the best. It's like Earl's family. Stop laughing. It's like Earl's family thought of it and hired a tea blender.
It's probably
Like normal families, give jewelry as heirlooms, but Earl's family gives tea as heirlooms.
how that happened is for another
Other
video.
video.
If you want, like, comment
Comment
down,
below.
subscribe, like you hit like 10 likes. If you get like 10 likes, 1 dislike also, like then we put out this video.
Yep.
Do it.
Do it.
Like right now, do it.
Do it. Right now. Subscribe.
Like
Support upcoming people like us.
we're not gonna end the video till you do it. Like
Yeah,
do it.
do it right now.
Like right now.
Okay. Well, that concludes the end of the video and I hope you liked it a lot.
Which theory did you like
Did you
the
like
best?
the most? Please let us know and comment, like and share and subscribe.
Do the needful.
Do the needful. Take
I'm out.
action and do this. I'm going.